www.indianprogrammingmaster.com. Hi students, now let us see how to print ID of a variable. So if you like to print ID of a variable, we have a function called a built-in function ID. Okay. So what is it's a built-in function which prints the unique ID. See, I'm assigning the values of x equal to 10 and the y equal to 20. So when I print this ID of x and ID of y, let's see the result here. It prints the two different values. So x ID equal to something here 52976, but whereas the y ID is 53296. Okay. Now see here, I'm writing the z equal to y. When I write z equal to y, what is happening? Whatever the ID is there for the y is same to the z also, because the same memory whatever we have for the y variable, it is taking by the z also. So that's why it's printing the, when I assign the value of the y to z, it's printing the same ID of to the z variable also. So like this, I can print the ID of a variable.